Hi, I'm Casi with KEES, and for today's edition of What If Wednesday, we are talking all about KEES money and apprenticeships. An apprenticeship is on-the-job training that some professions require you to do before you apply for your license for that area. The great news is you may be able to use some of your KEES money to pay for the materials you need to complete your apprenticeship. High school graduates participating in an approved registered apprenticeship or qualified workforce training program may choose to request reimbursement of approved expenses from their KEES earnings instead of having the funds sent to an eligible college or university. To qualify for reimbursement, a person must be a Kentucky high school graduate, have earned a KEES award that has not yet expired, and complete the process to opt into reimbursement. Your KEES money is available for up to 5 years after high school graduation, 8 semesters of college, or until you have a bachelor's degree, whichever comes first. For apprenticeships, the applicant must also be currently participating in a registered apprenticeship program approved through the Kentucky Education and Workforce Development Cabinet. For qualified workforce trainees, the applicant must also currently be enrolled at an approved site in a qualified workforce training program that is one of Kentucky's top 5 high-demand work sectors. Those are currently advanced manufacturing, business and IT, construction, healthcare, and transportation. Approved reimbursable expenses include items required for the graduate's registered apprenticeship program or qualified workforce training program. Those items include but are not limited to equipment, required tools, licensures, tuition and books, and uniforms. Reimbursement for travel expenses can also be requested, but cannot exceed $500 a year. The total reimbursement amount each year cannot exceed the total KEES money earned during high school, and reimbursement may be requested for up to 4 years within the first 5 years following high school graduation. To opt in, an apprentice should complete a registered apprentice pathway form and submit it to KEES. A qualified workforce trainee should complete a qualified workforce trainee pathway form and submit it to KEES. The reimbursement process looks like this. The apprentice or the trainee will pay their expenses out of pocket and keep legible, itemized receipts for proof of purchase, which they will then submit to KEES along with the appropriate forms by June 1st of each year. I know that's a lot of information, but you can always reach out to us if you have questions or you need more help. You can find your outreach counselor at KHEAA.com, along with all of the information you need to know about how KEES works with an apprenticeship program.